Hi! In this video, I will show you how to make a working sound system from an old wooden box. First of all, you will need speakers. I will choose from my collection of dismantled speakers. Several types of speakers could be suitable for this, but in the end, I chose this one. Since I am making a stereo sound system, I will need two. I will use a dismantled old internet cable for the wire, and a thicker one for the power supply. The stereo amplifier works with an AUX signal input and requires 12 volts DC. You will also need an MP3 module that provides other functions to the speaker, such as Bluetooth or FM radio. I will use a simple DC connector to connect the power supply. I considered the RCA connector suitable for the antenna. A thicker cable, about 1 meter long, can be suitable for the antenna. The power supply will be provided by a 12-volt mains power supply. I made a holder for the DC connector with a 3D printer for easy mounting. After that, I solder the wires to the speakers, paying attention to the polarity. I want to minimize the wires inside the device, so I solder the DC output of the MP3 module to the amplifier. The three cables transmit the audio signal, so they were soldered to the amplifier's input connector. After that, I soldered the antenna connector. I also attached the cables to the DC connector, but here you have to pay attention to the insulation, which I solved with shrink tubing. You can also use a hot soldering iron for shrinking, but the flame of a lighter can be an easier solution. But be careful with this. I marked the location of the MP3 module. I will cut this gap several times with a hole drill, and then straighten it with a jigsaw. If it doesn't fit into the gap, it can be easily refined with a hand file. I drill the mounting points and screw them in. I mark the location of the speakers and secure the box so it doesn't open. I drill the location for the DC and RCA connectors at the back. If the inner foam is damaged somewhere, I glue it back. After that, the two speakers can be inserted. For greater stability, I attach it with glue. I put the amplifier in place with double-sided adhesive. I connect the cables in the right place. I cover the dangling cables with vibration damping tape so that they don't rattle. I printed another cover for the MP3 module so that air doesn't pass through it. After connecting the cables, I fixed it in place with glue. Then I glued the case together. For a more elegant look, you will also need a wood-like cover. The easiest way to do this is to cut cardboard strips to size and cover them with wood effect foil. I attached the foil to the cardboard paper with an extra layer of adhesive. After that, I printed the edges for the speakers. Taking this edge into account, I draw where the cardboard strip needs to be cut. I also attached this with glue. Finally, I printed a cover around the RCA connector. This completes the speaker. After connecting the power supply, it can be used. But the RCA antenna will also be needed for the radio. Thanks to the MP3 module, in addition to the aux input, many functions have been added. The antenna can be easily connected and hung up.